The key to success is putting on sandals. Another one. Another one. Yeah.
Walk with me to the road to success. We water plants and flowers. It's so beautiful. And all the little angels, the gorgeous white flower plant. So beautiful. God is great. Wanna have breakfast? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. You put breakfast in your belly, you digest it, then you shit it later. Breakfast.
You make your own.
They don't want you to have breakfast. They don't want you to be successful.
That doesn't make sense.
I don't make sense, I make dollars. Another one. Another one. Another one. Oh, it's finished. Most the key to success is water. It is the most important. Chill. It is the most important thing in life. Everyone needs water. Another one.